Sunday centers around the commemoration of the resurrection of Jesus Christ from his tomb on the third day after his crucifixion. The remembrance is anchored on a renewed hope for believers who follows the path of Christ diligently. In a sermon, the leader of Atunbi Baptist Church, Sawmill area, Ilorin, Deacon Adeniyi Omolonu, reminded the congregation that the resurrection of Jesus Christ came as good news to the world. Deacon Omolonu, in his message tagged Experiencing the Power of Resurrection, noted that the power which rolled away stone from the tomb of Jesus after death takes away hindrances and changes situation from bad to good. Deacon Omolonu, who dwelt on Matthew chapter 27 and 28, stressed that Jesus overcomes death through his victory over grave. Christians, he emphasized, have opportunity to experience eternal life with him by embracing a saving relationship with the Lord.
As a Christian, we need to offer our life as a sacrifice to Jesus Christ, because Jesus Christ redeemed us from eternal death. We need to glorify his name and appreciate his name for what he has done.
Some worshippers who spoke with Kwara TV News described the message as a call to renege from sins. They acknowledged that Christians' faith would have been in vain if Christ had not risen from the dead.
Resurrection power has done a lot for us. He has snatched us from the peril of devil. He has snatched us from the sinful nature that we all carry from the time of Adam.
Free. We can live a life of Christ. We thank God for the death and resurrection of Jesus Christ.
The church service featured special prayers as well as praise and worship. Modupiola Abioye, Kwara TV News.